What's going on, guys? I'm gonna start doing these YouTube vids like a vlog style now because it's just easy, it's convenient, it's the most real me. So yeah, it's about 12 a.m. here. Family's sleeping upstairs now, so it's a perfect opportunity for me to make a new video. I've been out for like a couple months now, but I've been super busy. If you guys know what I'm up to, I'm running 3 companies right now. A First Health Supplements that was started a couple years ago, and launching First Health Apparel this month, which is what this video is about. I'm gonna show you guys how to take some pro apparel shots. If you guys are starting a company or any product shoots that you need to do, this is a sick DIY. So, and then third, First Health Supplement Stores, which is also opening in January. So super busy. I'm gonna try to post as much as I can, but here's another one today. So I got my setup over here. As you can see, that's like a second living room or whatever. Yeah, I got a fresh haircut here too. Post in the comments below if it's looking fresh. But anyway, back to the topic here. So if you guys are looking to take pictures of a product or something that looks pretty much pro, this is a really good setup to kind of create that look from. It's super easy to make. So I actually went to Michael's. I'm from Canada, and I'm sure if you're from States or any other country, there's many other art places and stores you can go to grab the stuff. But yeah, here's a cardboard box. I literally just asked, the lady, she was very kind, and she went in the back and gave me this for free. So you can find these anywhere, you can buy it, whatever. And then I went to Walmart and bought these 2 little lamps here. Each one was 20 bucks. Fix my hair here real quick. Each one was 20 bucks. It's a LED lamp, still has this on it. It's brushed nickel LED desk lamp. Height is 14 inches, and it's got 240 lumens. I don't know what that means. 4.5 watts. That's pretty much what I care for. It seems like a good amount. If I turn it on, you could actually, before I say that, and then I got a roll of paper here that was also from Michael's. Damn, this looks good. Roll of white paper that I just taped on here. Super easy to make. These are my products here. I'll post some pictures right over here to show you what the end result look like too, and it looks dope. You see that? That looks really good, guys. And so what I'll do is I'll turn on this lamp. I'll turn on that lamp. You can see I got like an extension cord running here. So yeah, instantly you can see got the focus on the product here, and then you want to make sure like the shadows are good, which is why I have grab this here. Oops, here you go. Which is why I've got like the 2 lamps on like symmetrically on both sides. It kind of takes away the shadow. So put that here close up. Yeah, super easy to make, guys. Literally that will cost you what, 20, 40, and then the roll was 5 bucks, I believe, or 6 bucks, so 26, and then that was free plus tax, so 30 bucks, and you got a professional studio with pictures that look like that, and yeah, you can't complain. You know, when I use my iPhone, not only am I making this video from an iPhone right now, I also shot this in portrait mode. I'm using an iPhone 10 Plus, and I shot this, sorry, it's not 10 Plus. I'm using an iPhone 8 Plus, and I shot this in portrait mode. And so one thing that I did notice, it kind of closes up the product, so you just kind of have to like zoom out a bit and then click on the products to and then increase the brightness to kind of adjust the shadows around, because if you do take pictures, you'll have a little bit of shadows and like a dullness, dullness to the background. So it's super easy. You just click on the product and you heighten up the brightness, and it's just gonna take away the darkness around and just give a really clear white background for your products to look sick like that again. So that's about it, guys. Quick little video here. I hope you guys are killing it. So much going on right now. Jeez, I want to vlog more. My workouts are going super good right now. As you can see, I'm making some serious gains here. Doing a little bit of, I mean, this has nothing to do with the DIY, but again, these are vlog vids now. So I'm doing a new workout program, adding in calories as well. I'm gonna be one of the models for the apparel that's coming out. Our Flex collection, December 2nd, guys, is gonna be coming out. It's gonna be dope, seamless Flex leggings and tops for girls that look sick. The colors are amazing. The quality is superb. It's true to your sizes. So if you wear stuff like Lululemon, you pay 120, 130 bucks for that. You know, we're gonna be cutting down the cost and giving you just as much of a high quality product as you're gonna get anywhere out. So yeah, guys, I'll post more stuff about the apparel closer to the date. This week I'm gonna be meeting some influencers, local influencers as well, which is gonna be super dope. Can't wait for them to join the community, the FH team as well. We're growing now and it's super exciting. And yeah, I'll leave it just at that. If you guys want to know what I should be talking about, what kind of stuff you guys want to know about, anything about my 3 companies, my workouts, my lifestyle, mindset, things I'm fucking up on, things I'm doing good, like whatever, just let me know. Post in the comments below what kind of stuff I should make and how often I should post, if you guys want to see more of me or not. But yeah, I hope this was useful. I know it's been really useful for me. I even took my supplement shots, which I'll put right there. And like they even look really pro, so it's super easy to do. Make it, let me know how it is. Peace.